Hello everyone, this is my officially first video in which I will be sharing my stock market journey. Yes, I have pre-planned that I will share my journey, and since when I have started that I will go into this kind of hustle, I would say, because it is a hustle. Because since like now my knowledge is very zero, you can say it's a very tender beginning. But I have interest. Like I can say from my bottom of heart, I can do this. I feel that it's for me. I think though I don't have a 0.1 knowledge of it, but I feel confident that I will take all the knowledge and will do something in it because I have that interest. Not I'm saying because I was scam, I was this, no, not all those films, but I wanted from the very childhood. Yeah, maybe I was inspired, influenced by those things, but I feel that I want to do this, and I feel I will, and. Though I don't have enough money still, but I will still do go into this, and I hope. Though I know we will face lots of losses, lots of demotivation and all, but I feel I can take all those demotivations and all. So since it's the very tender beginning, I made my Demat account. The very first thing which you have to do, and I follow like numerous channels are there like YouTube. YouTube is the best platform to study anything. So of course, and I would name the very famous channels from which I'm learning. Those are Rachna Kanadi, and one more person is there. I will write the name of it. So let's start how I begin. So of course I started watching the videos, I started watching those reels, and yeah, you get influenced for some time. You feel that yeah, I can do this by seeing those intraday wale influencers saying that I need this much amount of money, this much amount of money, and you get, oh my god, seriously, it has so much money. But no, it's not easy. It's not something very chiller anyway. Like it needs so much talent. You get lots of losses and all and all. Though I have not started a lot of amount, I have only K in my account right now in case. So let's start with the beginning, what I have felt. So the very first thing which we all know what we have to do is making a Demat account, and I seriously want to say that what I'm saying right now, you will never find on any YouTube channel. Like they use such words that you don't get in your mind. So that's what I'm feeling, and I'm currently craving to find those people who will teach me, who will, but we know we have only online platforms like YouTube and all. So the point which I felt was very hard, that how to do this, like how people make such money and all. So the moment I made my Demat account, it took me 2 days. It took all those PAN card, and yeah, you need to have your PAN card and all. I'm 18 guys, I'm 18. So you need a PAN card and all those stuffs, and the number which you use in Aadhaar card should be linked with your bank account. Your Aadhaar should be updated, and all those things are very necessary to do with this. They confirm your KYC verification, you sign those documents in, and then it after 2 working days it gets to happen. Your Demat account is made, and then you need some money in your bank account. You have to link the UPI and everything, and you should make sure that your PhonePe account is also made. So that's it. The journey begins here, and almost I made the very first thing which I had done was mutual funds. I made SIPs of almost 100, each SIP of 100. So I made 3 kind of those, and today when I'm shooting this, I'm in loss. In SIP also I'm lost. I never knew that in SIP your money is also deducted. So yeah, that's what happening right now. But we will talk from the day we started. So the very first thing which I made was the SIPs of total 300 rupees, and after that I in my mind that I thought in mutual funds you don't have to need so much knowledge and all. Yeah, what they says is fundamental knowledge. I thought it's a very famous. I invested in very famous things like Tata Birla and those kind of ICICI Bank and all. So I knew no much knowledge is needed in it. Maybe I went wrong, but I made the SIP of total 300 rupees, and then I was clear in my mind that I will do in mutual funds, but I will not step in the market. Not now, because I have zero knowledge, literally zero knowledge. I don't even know the basic terms, basic things of it. Like literally, जितने पता है कि candlesticks में green means market ऊपर, red means नीचे, and I only know one term, that is you need market wala analysis. That's it. And yeah, I know a few types of trading, swing trading, intraday and all. And I knew कि मैं अभी market में नहीं जाऊँगी. I don't have knowledge enough. So I will take the knowledge and will slowly start. But the moment you see those numbers getting higher in green numbers and all, so I could not stop myself, and I started buying few stocks, and in which those were Suzlon Energy. Let me see. It was Suzlon Energy, and I even bought ओला इन उसके तो मैंने दो शेयर लिए, 2 ड्रॉप करे, 2 लिए 2 ड्रॉप करे एंड टुडे करंटली व्हेन आई एम शूटिंग इट्स मैंने उसमें इंट्रोडक्ट भी करा. Let me show you. It's very tender beginning and you have to get the idea of it, so you have to randomly just go for it, like how we say कि तुम्हें बैठ कर ही करना पड़ेगा तभी तुम्हें समझेगा, like even if you are learning a bike or scooty or whatever, but उसमें तो भी हम एक बार कोई पकड़ के हमें चलाता है and then after few days we go in alone, but here तो कुछ अलग ही चलता है. बट स्टिल नाउ आई वोंट रिग्रेट बिकॉज मुझे 2 रुपये का जो फ़ायदा हुआ है वो भी ओके कह सकते हैं, 2 हज़ार. बट आई स्टिल लाइक आई वॉज नॉट ओके विथ माई ऑल कैलकुलेशंस एंड ऑल कि मैंने इतने लगाए, मेरे पास कितने बचे, लाइक इतना प्रिसाइज नहीं था. बट आई एम टेकिंग नोट्स, आई विल मेक इट प्रिसाइज एंड इन माई सेकेंड वीडियो ऑफ दिस जर्नी आई विल बी प्रिसाइज विथ माई स्क्रिप्टिंग, माई वे ऑफ टेलिंग यू ऑल ऑफ द थिंग्स एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट आई डिड परफेक्टली. आई बिलीव एंड अभी भी मैं जो भी हो सकता है जितना भी एडिटिंग हुआ उतना मैं करके आई विल precisely show you what I'm talking about. So and then I first made the account in Grow and I did the mutual funds in Grow. I started buying the stocks in Grow and that's what I did in my starting money phase. एंड उसमें मेरे जो फर्स्ट डे रिटर्न्स थे वो +1 में थे एंड दैट्स इट. मुझे इतना पता ही नहीं था कि लाइक जो दोज पीपल दोज इन्फ्लुएंसर्स टेल I made this much. But the moment I saw +1 -0.07, it was like, oh, maybe the number of shares, like that funda that you have to buy lots of that huge number of shares, then you will get profit. That I am trying to go with it. But now it feels मैं तो एक शेयर में अपना सपने लेके चल रही हूँ नेक्स्ट झुंझुन वाला. But that's it. What I'm going through is okay now. But I'm very happy. I know like though people of less than my age are making quite good money, then why can't I? If those people can make, then why can't I? You have to believe in yourself, you have to trust yourself. Everything is possible in this world and that's why I feel that I can understand the analysis, I can go with this and I can surely do something with it. You know, it feels scary when I see those market going up and down, those charts, those kind of candlesticks. I get scared too. Genuinely I get scared, but that doesn't mean you should stop there and tere se nahi ho payega and all kind of things. But let's go with it and I am sharing with you every kind of thing, every possible thing I'm going through and I will pop here. And then the second email account I made was Upstocks. I saw a video in where I was getting into intraday and I saw a video and I thought इससे होगा and like you can see those profits and everything. So I thought इसमें हम बना लेते हैं. And after 2 fucking days, it took 2 days and then the Demat account is activated and then yeah. And the problem I went through is that if you want to go in futures and options, you have to show your proof. And in that proof, and I'm still 18 right now and I don't have any proof of income. I have saved my money. Now what kind of proof I should show you that? And let's see what happens. I will see a few videos and take some knowledge and then in the second part I will show you that I'm not able to do futures and options, or what is there any option, or I can create something. There are a few options I will show you. And let's keep it aside and I will show you about the Upstocks. And Upstocks, the day I'm recording, अभी उसी दिन हुआ. I decided yeah, let's go because I saw that Ola Electric wala, it was jumping and jumping. So I decided to do intraday because the intraday option was on that day and I decided that हम करेंगे intraday and with that one share only. And I took at 122 Upstocks में balance डालने के बाद at 122 I bought it and price stops लगा लिए थे and I bought it. And I got it, and you won't believe that market went from 122 to 126 and like मुझे डर लगा कि भाई 126 के नीचे गए तो और भी. So I clicked that sell वाला button and I at 126 and I got it and I got it and I found 3 or 4 rupees वाला profit and I was happy. And I could still see the market is still going from 126 and I bought it again at 129 because it said 126 and 129 was such quick that I was not even able to do that. So at 129 I bought it and till 133, like today's high and today's high. So today's high was at 133.08 and मुझे नहीं पता था उसके बाद वो जाता ही नहीं होगा, but it's okay. I again made profit of 4 rupees I guess. And also total profit I made was 7. And when I went to that section of withdraw and my total cash वाला, उसमें मुझे profit 7 rupees था and वही वो बोल रहे थे it's not investable or what. So 7, the profit which I made was not investable, which was not included in that cash. So total cash was of rupees 229, that total cash. And they are saying it's and which you can withdraw is 2 to 2. And then they are saying that withdrawal amount is still 0. Then I was like, what? And then I saw some videos, and they say that after 24 hours you will be able to see the withdrawal amount. And then I see that's okay, and that I will show you in the second video of this journey. So stay tuned for it. Maybe who is watching it, but maybe those people who are interested in it will obviously watch it. Like just like me, I do watch videos. Sometimes I get bored, but the fact that I want to make sure that one day I will, that makes me keep busy in it. So currently, with zero knowledge, I invested total of rupees 500 maybe, because 300 SIP and 2 to 400 I invested in it. So I know it's a bad step, but I have to, because I have to take at least a sight of it, that how it works and how it won't. And the SIP wala jo minus mega, that too I will show pop up here. And that was it for the journey. And with zero knowledge, here I am going in this journey. I hope you come in with this journey with me, as it makes me excited and risk head to story. And that's it, that what motivates me at least. And let's go. And in the second journey I will show you what I learn, what I step up, what how I update myself with these things. And I will show you how can I withdraw it, will I get the withdrawal amount and all. So let's end it here.